What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Be sure to consider getting subscribed here on the channel and let me know all of your thoughts down in the comment section. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you thought this was interesting. We've got another parts video that I made of this guy right here. And if you haven't yet, be sure to check out the watchjoshwiley.com channel where you can check out different stuff that I offer for you guys. And there's a discount code page where you can save a little bit of money on some of the companies that the channel has worked with in the past. So I'm not going to do a whole lot of talking with this. I'm just going to show you how I made it, all the clips of in the shop, what went on with this whole thing. But just to explain a little bit what this is, I actually got this upper and had it, didn't have anything, no forward assist or anything like that, because I wanted to make the side charger. If you're interested in that, if you haven't seen yet, I did a video on how I did that, like this. I modified the upper receiver and modified the BCG here to convert it to a side charger, so there was no need for a regular charging handle as would be here. So once I did that, it was fine. But then when I added the suppressor, because this is now converted to 300 blackout, once I put the suppressor on there, it shoots gas back really bad. And that was completely open because the regular charging handle wasn't there. And it was shooting it back right in your face really bad. So I needed to make a cover. So I made this little piece here to cover that up. And that completely fixed everything. There's nothing coming back hitting you in the face. So that's pretty much the whole reason of this piece. Once I put the suppressor on there, it was shooting gas back, and this fixed the problem and covered that whole hole there, and that's why the hole is there, because it is now a side charger. So now I'll be quiet and just show you the how I made this little piece here. And FYI, if you're interested, this is made out of Delrin. It's a different kind of durable plastic. So let's go on and see how I made this. that is all with this video. Hope you guys thought this was at least somewhat interesting. If you are interested in videos like this, I have made a bunch of different pieces for different builds and stuff like that. You can check that out here on the channel. There's a whole playlist of gun parts. Be sure to consider getting subscribed to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know all of your thoughts down in the comments section below, and head on over to watchjoshwiley.com where you can save a little bit of money and check some stuff out that I offer. That's all I have for you guys, and I will see you